initiatives if the voters or decided to do it, or we should do it as a board. I believe that if we hear from enough people that we should be able to do that without a problem. So yes and yes, I have stood tall and strong to protect the rural boundary, not just in this last barrage of attacks, but since the creation of the rural boundary. I was also on the city council of Oviedo when we created the rural boundary. I believe in the rural boundary. I believe in the protection of the rural boundary. I stood tall, and I will always stand tall to protect the rural boundary, as well as the Wekiva area. Myself and Commissioner Constantine have stood very tall on both times. And I will tell you, I've lost many of votes, 3-2, to change zoning. But I also believe that Commissioner Constantine has an interesting idea by saying we should have, it should include the comp plan. The comp plan, as people may not realize, is truly the Bible on how things happen with the county for development. Even though zoning is important, the comp plan is just as important, if not more important. And I believe that we should be looking at all of that. So to answer your question, yes and yes. But I also want to make sure your viewers here truly understand and know that from the beginning of the rural boundary, when it was designed to protect the eastern part of Seminole County, I was there. I'm still there, and I will always be there to protect the rural boundary. Is that clear, Richard?
Yes, Bob.